Hey, Danny here, and with my vlog. This is going to be altitude. Well, I've taken a trip to New England, and I am currently in Newburyport. I'm going to take a flight up over the Parker River. We will see. Something I've wanted to do for a couple years now, because this is my old neighborhood. I thought it might be cool to go fly up and down, do a quick flight up my old neighborhood here. Actually got me I ordered me a new cover because this one's scratched. So I'm gonna do that. It's about 30, I don't know. It's about 38, 39 degrees right now. So it's gonna be a chilly flight, but it's kind of once in a lifetime I get up here. Awesome. Got me a brand new one. Yes, sweet. I'm using carbon fiber blades on my Mavic Pro. Oh, fiberglass cover off there, very nice. Okay. Really don't have my landing pad, but I don't think that'll suck that up. It's pretty wide. Well, should be all right. It's asphalt, so we should be in good shape. It's about 12 o'clock in the afternoon. No real wind. Beautiful day. Currently the 29th, actually. No. Yeah, 30th. Okay. All right, 100%. But on, we're going to check before you fly. Sure, I don't have any sky issues. I'm going to stay under 400 feet. Good. Yeah. All your warnings. Alright. Alright. Go with that. Alright. So let that ride. Alright, so let's do a little bit of onboard flying and we'll see what we got. Stop recording. Well, my drone just went in the Parker River, never to return. I am not happy. She might have been 3 years old, but it was still worth flying. For some reason, I was too close to the abutments on the Parker River Bridge, and I guess the obstacle avoidance was not working, and it probably has something to do with if it doesn't have enough light, it's not going to work. And she went into the water. I was clear, I was coming under the bridge, and I guess my angle was off, and I hit that lower section as it curves underneath the supports. So my now valued at $800 drone is now at the bottom of Parker River. So this was an expensive trip. I guess it's time to get the Mavic Pro 2s with obstacle avoidance all the way around. So I guess we'll call this altitude Mavic Pro is in the Parker River. I don't know. I had video going, but of course that was on the drone itself. I did put in a HD card in here, so I'll have to see if it was recording on that as well. Well, a sad day for me. Would have been nice to have had these working, and I could see closer than I was. Let's see. I don't know. I'll have to run that later and see if I had a card in here, but I don't know if it was recording at the same time. Maybe it should have been. Okay. Well. Son of a gun. Ain't that something? I thought I was flying perfectly straight under the bridge. I guess I wasn't. Well, it can be an expensive hobby. As simple as flying under the bridge. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we'll catch you again someday on altitude. Stop recording.